So the Chow pressure group concept is used by different companies to quantify interference between wells. This is further, used for well spacing decisions etc. And in this short video, I'll just show you how you can go ahead and basically create a project where you can upload different wells and do very fast Chow pressure group calculation. So here I'll go to the projects that is available for me in this given field, and I go and I've created this project right here called Chow Pressure Group XYZ. And the reason why we encourage you to create a project like a CPG project is just to make sure that you have all the wells and those data sources kind of gathered in one place, so that you kind of database those for the future. Once you're done with that, you just simply create a well, and then you just call it CPG well, number 1 or something. When you're happy with that, you click save, and the only thing you need to do is to upload dates and pressures. So when it comes to the data you need, it's just in this case I have some time data and some average pressure values versus time. Take this pressure data and or the time data, paste it in, and I'd go ahead and do the same thing with the pressure data. This is just downhole gauge pressure data, so that goes into the gauge column right here. And you click save, and then the only last thing you need to do is to go to analytical RTA, go to the top here where it says CPG. Then you need to take this plot right here, try to find, first of all, you need to put this line where the offset well is put on production. You can also go ahead and just edit this line right here. You can change the slope of this line like this. I want to make sure that this pre and post pressure fit looks good. You can double check here to the right the bottom hole pressure pre and post well coming on production. And then your last job is just to interpret this plot right here. So probably in this example, I'll just go ahead and zoom into this part of the data. You can also go ahead and change the axis here a little bit. And what you'll see here is that the data kind of stabilizes somewhere around a CPG value of 0.5. So for this type of analysis, you can also type in the number here to the left if you want to. So you can make it 0.6 and the value goes up and down there to the left. But I think 0.5 was a good stabilized CPG value for this particular well. And then you can go back to the manual and say, okay, in terms of at least the guidelines that was provided in the original CPG paper, this is basically a weak to moderate type of interference, at least at this point in time.